Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I am in Sunbridge yet again. This is a beautiful community. We're on the beginning stages. The developer is the same developer that has developed Weekley Park, which is basically the heart and soul of Lake Nona. Lake Nona, if you know much about the area, is a very, very hotbed for people that want to live and move and have a certain lifestyle. But this is Sunbridge. It is going to be an amazing community. There's lots of natural walking trails. It's conservation area, so it's a unique concept. And the home behind me is being built by one of the 5 builders here in Sunbridge, David Weekley Homes. They make beautiful homes. And this home is called the Georgette. It's roughly around 3,000 square feet. Before I go any further, if you don't mind, please take a second, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon, because that helps a ton just getting the word out there and getting this kind of content out to people that are looking for this just like you. So thanks for stopping by. Let's go ahead and check out this home. Hey guys, welcome back from the tour. My wife would fall in love with this kitchen. I love this area. It's very nice for entertaining. Let me just say, there's so many options when it comes to buying a home. There's so many different areas, so many different floor plans. If you're going new construction, communities, even if you're going existing, it can get overwhelming. And I would love to help your family to ease that process. So if you're interested in talking to me more about helping you and representing you, my information is located down below. Feel free to call, text, email. New construction, there's tons of incentives, so many different ones. They're always changing. It's hard to keep track of that. So I'd love to help you on that front. Also, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you're notified when there's new content. Let me know what you think down below. If you want to see anything particular, let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next video.